What's going on, guys? We are here.
Get out of your mouth and use this stuff.
We're here for a very special day. It's the day we've all been waiting for, right?
Yes.
We're very enthusiastic today.
No. We got to realize Chief Engineer here is stressing out.
Yeah,
okay?
so
I've already had 2 minor failures, so I didn't tell you what was fun when I found it when I was working on the drive shaft. You know my down bar that was holding front of the 8.8 down had 3 bolts in it. All 3 of them had nuts all the way out to the end. So I had to fix that too. All right, so yeah, I'd put my tarp or bungee back on that.
Back to reverse.
yeah, this is the last time I did this.
We got the pins in it.
There you go. Touch down.
A few moments later.
Did it take the pin off that side?
I guess the bash
Yeah,
bar
did the
was a
same
bad
thing.
idea.
What was it? Sitting on, right? It was sitting on top of it. And bent that one down.
So I didn't see it, but I think the bash bar was already on its last bash. I don't know how bad it is. I don't know if I want. I pulled off the trailer and already crashed.
No, you just broke the front.
Get out of reverse! What you just saw is the day, well, basically today is the day that we've been working towards for a couple years, about 2. And my uncle just went out there, did a few rips, see how it handled. Wesley was behind the camera, shout out to him. Being inside, there's a little bit of body rolling there, but overall, it felt pretty good. It got up to about 230, and that's about where we just stopped, drove around, let it cool back off. And then we're just kind of stopping right now and checking everything, making sure everything's good. We had to adjust the seat belts before we got started, but we're just doing a little check since we put some pressure down on it. So I can't wait to give it a shot. So pretty much we were doing some figure 8s or giving it a try. And basically what I was doing was when he would clutch kick, I was mimicking it so that way I could get used to it and figuring all that out. So once I'm behind the wheel, I'll be able to figure out what's going on. So let's go over here and see what's happening. So right now we are checking temps on stuff and
Trying to see what
making sure things are going to be making sure things are staying cool, not getting too hot. We got the fans on right now, and we're just checking everything. Dylan checked the rear end, we checked the some of the brakes, drive shaft, checking the what we got in the transmission.
123.
Now how
Belt housing. That's not hot considering the motor was 230.
okay. Because when the water pressure got up to about 230, that's when we kind of stopped and did the little cool down lap, brought it back down. So what are we at?
I'm gonna start it so it flows around.
That's fine. These are neutral. Got the block. That one's pretty uniform. Back cylinders are pretty good.
Okay. So pretty much that was a walk down on keeping it cool. So pretty much what we did when we brought it in, we shut it off, left the fans on, let everything kind of cool down, and then fire it back up, let the water recirculate because it'll be cool, and then turn it back off and let everything cool back down, and then when we fire it up, we'll be ready to go once again. So let's get some thoughts and see what everyone's thinking. All right.
Yeah, definitely got a bunch of threads left on.
Yeah. Can you stiffen the shock with the adjustment to make it harder to compress?
Yeah. See, we backed them down because of that.
You might want to tighten them up just a little bit. Try to get a little roll. I don't know how far you went, so I can't really.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember how. Do we know the left is tighter than the right?
Yeah.
So I had to do that to get it even.
Get the bottom proportion right.
Alright, so the knob on the shock.
So pretty much what we're doing is we're going to adjust the rate of compression in the spring.
Alright, so plus is clockwise.
Yeah.
Is it click or is it just turn? It clicks. You feel it. How many you want? It ain't going to go with a couple. Just go ahead and do it all the way. Till it stops.
It's got.
Back it off just to that spot you feel it in the indentation. Alright, let's go do the fronts the same way. Stiffen up front. Yep.
Plus is clockwise, right?
Clockwise, yep.
Hey, what do we got here? What's this liquid down here?
It's brake fluid.
Jeremiah, what we got down here?
It's brake fluid. I feel it on the bottom of this shock.
We have a brake line going?
It's leaking down the crossmember right there.
Yeah, we got a block.
You want power? Yeah, you will.
Yeah, I got it.
Why is that brake fluid?
Is it coming out of the brake line?
You ain't got no pressure, do you? I don't know where it comes from. It comes from there, but I don't know why. Got fluid on the floor pane. On the passenger side. You got fluid in the cap?
Yeah.
If it was that much fluid running out of the little reservoir, you'd notice it.
Yeah.
Watch your pressure.
God, I could wash it or something. Got everyone like running in.
Shit, wrong first.
Why won't this thing get tight? Is it backwards again?
Realize doing that, that's that rear end trying to hook up.
Sometimes it's stay locked.
Well, you're going to be spinning, so it's not going to do it. Alright, when we go around this one, come around, I want you to give it a clutch kick one time. Don't worry about the brake right yet. Alright, clutch kick. You gotta give more gas first.
What?
You gotta give it more gas. Then pop it. Carried away like that. They get you going out crazy. Just go easy. You don't have to go wide open.
Okay.
Okay?
Turn out? You want to do it down there?
It doesn't matter.
Maybe give it a little gas.
Alright, let's get it. Going too fast, we're getting the truck leaning. You gotta get it spinning.
So is it like gas, or like do you stay on the gas with the clutch kick?
Yeah. Clutch in. Gas. Alright. You gotta get it spinning because you feel it hook up. That's when you want to let off of it. You're getting way too much grip.
Do I need to give it more gas and dump it?
Yeah, a little more gas. Alright, clutch kick it. Alright. Swings it all the way around quick.
What am I doing wrong?
Alright, well, you're not getting the spin enough. Then get it spinning. You gotta get a little more gas and get it to spin. On your other foot with the brake to slow it down.
Yeah. So
you don't get so much speed.
Okay.
Not too hard, just enough to kind of hold the spin. Okay. Just enough to get through the spin. Starting to Last couple more. Push me. Then come spinning. What are you doing?
Reach for.
First gear. And like I said,
We're right at 220.
Yeah.
I say they're not out there. If you want to go around the track, just let it cool that way. Just nice and easy.
Okay.
Yeah,
It didn't go over
third
220.
gear, just go around.
Yeah, it got the right
I was on it the whole
220,
time.
and I was telling him I was.
Take it around.
I
real
didn't know
quick,
how to
just
say
nice and
gauges,
easy.
but I think if you see me do like this, I need you to make sure those gauges are okay. All right.
Roger that.